Devastating wildfires ravage the U.S. West Coast. The United States is currently experiencing one of the most severe wildfire seasons in recent history, with California, Oregon, and Washington being the hardest hit. The Palisades Fire near Los Angeles has been particularly devastating, claiming 16 lives and leading to the evacuation of over 30,000 residents. The Santa Ana winds continue to fuel the flames, making containment efforts challenging. In addition to the human toll, around 200,000 people are without power due to precautionary shutoffs. The fires have destroyed thousands of homes and structures, and the situation remains critical with red flag warnings in effect. Governor Gavin Newsom has declared a state of emergency in California, and federal aid has been approved to support firefighting and relief efforts. Thousands of firefighters are working tirelessly to contain the blazes, but extreme weather conditions and difficult terrain make their job incredibly challenging. As the nation grapples with these wildfires, the need for long-term solutions and community resilience is more apparent than ever. Stay safe, and let's support those affected by these devastating wildfires. If you need more details or have any specific questions, feel free to ask.